An apparent reversal. The Trump administration is moving forward with a critical flash flood risk database. This according to officials with NOAA. The database would help people understand their risk for flash flooding and assist civil engineers, designers, and builders with construction and infrastructure projects. For the first time, it would also take climate change into account when making precipitation frequency estimates. The move comes after it was reported earlier this week that the administration had paused work on parts of that project. This new database announcement comes just weeks after devastating flooding in Texas killed more than 100 people. 27 of those deaths were children from Camp Mystic. CNN spoke to one mother who lost her 8-year-old daughter in the floods. Lindsay McLeod-McCrory talks about the moment she learned her daughter Blakely had died.
I manually went through the voicemails though, since I did learn that Blakely's cabin mate was missing. And that's when the dreaded call came. They left me a voicemail. And so we were inside the boat. I just dropped the phone on the table, shaking. And I told my little sister she would have to call Camp Mystic. So we put the phone on speaker so I could listen in, but I was frozen when.
Coming up tonight, streaming on WBIR Plus, floodwaters rose and Texans answered with courage. Watch Hearts and Heroes flooding in the Texas Hill Country and help those still in need. Download on your TV and watch for free. New